In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all photos in OneDrive. If you have a folder full of pictures in OneDrive and you want to work with all of them at once, this process is very simple. Selecting everything in a photo folder can save you time, especially if you plan to move, copy, download, or organize your images in one action instead of clicking them one by one. To get started, open OneDrive and go to the My Files area. This is the main section where your folders and uploaded files are stored. Once you're there, take a moment to look through your file list and find the folder that contains the pictures you want to select. Make sure you're in the correct location before continuing, especially if you have several folders with similar names. When you find the folder that holds your photos, look for the small circle that appears next to it. In OneDrive, that circle is used to select an item without opening it. Click the circle to check the folder that contains your pictures. This tells OneDrive that you want to select that entire folder, which is useful when all of the photos you need are already organized together in one place. If you're not seeing the selection circle right away, try hovering your mouse over the folder. In many cases, the checkbox style circle becomes more visible when you move the pointer over the item. Once it is checked, the folder is selected and ready for whatever action you want to take next. A helpful tip here is to confirm that the folder really contains only the photos you want included. Since you are selecting the folder itself, anything inside that folder may be part of the action you perform afterward. That can be helpful for batch organization, but it also means it's worth double checking before continuing. This is one of the quickest ways to select all photos in OneDrive when those images are stored inside a single folder. Instead of manually opening the folder and selecting pictures individually, you can simply choose the folder from My Files and manage everything much more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Once you know where to click, selecting a folder of photos in OneDrive is fast and straightforward, and it can make handling large groups of images much easier.